Hello children, welcome back to online class. So children, in previous class we had learned half of part of this story. We knew that how this clever jackal Chatur planned to eat that elephant's flesh. We will know the remaining part. Before that I am revising it. You listen it, okay? So what was the story? Once upon a time in a jungle there lived a clever jackal named what? His name is Chatur. One day while wandering in the jungle, he saw a dead elephant. Eager to eat the flesh, the jackal went closer and tried to cut the flesh with the teeth. But the skin was too tough to give way to the flesh. We know that elephant skin was too tough, so the jackal tried and tried, but he could not succeed. However, he could not succeed in cutting the thick skin. So the tired jackal sat near the dead elephant and started thinking how to solve this problem. So when Chatur couldn't eat the flesh of the elephant, he couldn't tear it at all. So he thought for the solution of the problem. Suddenly the jackal eyed the lion who was coming towards him. He said humbly, "Your Majesty, I am guarding this dead elephant for you." When the jackal saw the lion, he thought that I have to think something else, otherwise the lion will kill me. He thought like that and he said humbly, "Your lord, my lord, I have found some meat for you to eat. I am guarding this dead elephant for you. Please eat it." He said like this. The lion roared, "I never eat animals which are killed by other animals." The lion said like that. "I think you know this very well," the lion said to the clever jackal Chatur. By saying this, the lion went away from there. The jackal was happy that the lion did not want to eat the dead elephant. But his problem to eat the elephant flesh was yet to be solved. But after some time a leopard came on that way. Chatur thought, "I have got rid of the lion now. I must stop this leopard from eating my dinner." Chatur thought that I have get rid of lion, but I have to get rid of this leopard also. So he thought one more plan. What is the plan? We will know that in the next page. Okay? He told the leopard in a trembling voice, "Chacha, you have come to the wrong place. You are in danger here." He thought one plan and he told to the leopard in trembling. Trembling means thoriba. Dori ki jota thori janti se voice re कहला चाचा. Chacha means he made in Hindi for uncle means chacha means in English we can say it uncle, but in Hindi it is chacha. Father's brother we called it as chacha. Okay? He acted like he is afraid of something. Chatur acted like he is afraid of something and he said to the leopard, "Chacha means uncle, you have come to the wrong place. You came to the wrong place. You are in danger now." So the leopard asked worriedly, "Why? What is the danger?" The jackal answered, "This elephant was killed by a lion. He has gone to have bath. I am here to guard his dinner. He said to me before he went, 'Let me know at once if a leopard dares to come near my dinner. I will tear him to pieces.'" Look how jackal planned very cleverly. He told lie to the leopard. He told like that, if leopard will come, I will tear him apart. He told lie about the lion. The leopard felt very scared and ran away. After that the leopard felt very scared means afraid of the place and he ran away from there. In a short while a tiger came along. So after some time a roaming tiger arrived there. The tiger would surely be interested in this dead elephant, thought the jackal. When the tiger came closer, he said in a hurried tone. What he said, let us know, children. He came to the place and he stand quietly. But Chatur thought one plan in between these. When the tiger looked at the dead elephant and licked his lips hungrily. Licked means lala godeba. Okay? Chatti means when we feel too much hungry and we found tasty food in front us, we feel licked. So he licked his lips hungrily. Chatur thought, the tiger has strong and sharp teeth. I can use him to tear the elephant's skin. Look how intelligently Chatur planned. Because Chatur cannot tear the skin of the dead elephant, he thought that this tiger will tear the skin of the dead elephant. After that, I will eat the elephant. He thought like that. Before the tiger could dig his teeth into it, Chatur said, Mama, you look very hungry. Here is plenty of meat to eat. Chatur planned and said, Mama means who? Mama means also mother's brother. And in Hindi, it is, we can say them as mama, but in English we can say as uncle only. Okay, so he said like that, Mama, you look very hungry. Here is plenty of meat to eat. He said like that. However, the kill belongs to a lion. He left me to take care of it. He said like that. You can eat it, Mama, but this flesh belongs to the lion who said me to guard his flesh. So I think you are feeling very hungry, so you can eat some part of it. He said like that. So, but the tiger said, oh no, then I cannot touch it. The lion will kill me. The tiger said that, no, this flesh is lion's. I cannot, this food is lion's. I cannot eat it. Otherwise the lion will kill me. The tiger said like that. So saying the tiger was about to run away means after saying that the tiger was about to go from that place when Chatur, we will see in the next page now. When Chatur said, do not be scared means doro nahi. I will keep watch while you eat. I will tell you when I see the lion coming. Chatur said that don't worry Mama, you can eat. I will keep watching. If the lion will come, I will inform you and you will run away from here. So, I will tell you when I see the lion coming, you will have plenty of time to escape. The tiger dug into the elephant's skin with its sharp teeth. After that, what did the tiger do? The tiger dug. Dug means past tense of dig, kholiba. So, the tiger dug means the danto soito se kholiba ku try kala se skin ko with its sharp teeth. Then he pulled it with his strong jaws. The tiger pulled means taniba. तार जॉस मीन्स तार जो पंजा थाए पंजा बाघर पंजा से जॉस सहित से स्किन को टाणीबा को ट्राई कला चिरीबा को ट्राई कला. Seeing this, the jackal called out, quick run, here comes the lion. So jackal plan was success because he only want to tear the skin of the elephant because his teeth, jackal's teeth were not that much strong to tear the elephant skin. The tiger did that. So after that, the Chatur said, quick means jaldi, run, dodi palao. Lion asila, he said like that. On hearing this, the tiger turned and ran. So tiger was very much afraid of the lion. That's why he ran from that place. Chatur had a good laugh and settled down to a grand feast. चतुर पूरा बहुत जोर जोर रे हसिला और ग्रैंड फीस्ट मीन्स तापाई सेटा बहुत बड़ भोजी थिला बिकॉज एलिफेंट्स फ्लेश वाज टू मच टू ईट. दैट्स व्हाई ही हैप्पीली एट दैट एलिफेंट्स फ्लेश बट ही प्लान्ड वेरी वेल फॉर इट. So children, what is the moral of this story then? The moral of the story is what? Wisdom make victory. Its meaning is wisdom means the quality of having good knowledge and having good means taking good judgments and good decision, means that makes you victory, means joy, means what you want to do you can get it with the wisdom. Okay, it is the moral of the story. Because of the intelligence of the Chatur, the clever jackal, he could succeed in his plan. This is the moral. So finally we can say that wisdom makes victory. Okay, we will see the exercise part now, children. So let's see here. Complete the following sentences with the correct word or phrase. We have to complete these following sentences with the given words in the option. So first one, Chatur was very stupid or clever or foolish. It is very easy, children. Chatur was very clever. I have already ticked there. You do one thing, you ticked in the book with pencil and write it in your notebook also. Okay. Second one, the elephant's skin was thick and soft or thin and hard or thick and hard. What will be the answer? The elephant's skin was hard, thick and hard. Tick here, children. The elephant's skin was thick and hard. Tick here. Next, first Chatur saw a lion or a rabbit or a dog. Chatur saw a lion. After that, the tiger dug into the elephant's skin with its strong claws or sharp teeth or straight nose. The tiger dug into the elephant's skin with its sharp teeth. Okay. So last one, why do you think the jackal called the leopard his chacha and the tiger his mama? Were they really his relatives? Why, children? You just find it out with the help of your parents or guardian. Okay, that's it for today, children. Because in this story, the narrator of this story, who has written, the writer of this story has said like this only, means he has put some relationship between these animals, nothing else is there, children. Okay, so that's it. In next class I will come with a new story. Okay, have a good day.